Hi!
Hi, hello everyone!
Hello everyone! Ako nga pala si D.
At ako naman si A.
And this is Unfiltered DNA. Yes, Coach A. Hindi ako hindi ako makapaniwala. It's been a year already since
Yes.
we started our podcast journey. And nag-umpisa lang tayo sa konting kwentuhan lang.
Kwentuhan, yeah.
Video call lang talaga, no? And we're so grateful sa lahat ng mga taong nanonood sa atin, yung mga nag-tune in, sa mga nag-subscribe, yung mga sumali, yung mga nagbigay ng mga thoughts, yung nakikwentuhan sa'yo.
True. And kaya pala familiar sa akin, ano pa meron ng 19s? Naalala pala ng aking subconscious mind na anniversary na pala natin. Grabe, ang bilis-bilis lang ng panahon. And maraming salamat po. We just wanted to thank everyone who keeps, following us and also tuning in every time na may podcast kami ni Ren. So for the past 4 weeks or 5 weeks ata to Ren, no, we were not able to really do the usual podcast kasi isa sa amin medyo bumigay ng konti. Pero we're back and we just wanted to say thank you for, allowing us to be part of your journey every Saturday afternoon. Ayan. And sana po nakakapulutan ninyo ng aral and alam mo yun, insights about life, about self-growth, 'di ba? Itong aming podcast every Saturday. Ayan.
And we're excited kasi for our second year, baka marami tayong mga features, marami tayong guests. We're looking forward for special episodes at saka mga special series. Tapos may mga behind the scenes pa, di ba? So masaya. And again,
True.
Lahat. At saka yung binubuo mong community, Coach A, maraming natutulungan.
Yes. Thank you so much for that, Ren. And para po sa mga nanonood at nagpo-follow dito, please follow nyo rin po kami and subscribe sa aming YouTube channel, Unfiltered DNA, as well as Darren Is and A. Villegas Alfonso sa TikTok accounts namin because we're also doing our live there. So again, maraming pong salamat. And if you think na you find value sa mga episodes namin every time nag-i-air kami every Saturday, please share this to your friends or to those people na you think might need this type of contents din para at least ma-spread natin yung awareness na tinatakaw namin ni Ren every Saturday. So, thank you so much po sa inyong pag-support, sa inyong mga pag-PPM, sa inyong mga messages, sa pag-join sa mga discussions. So, very fortunate po kami ni Ren. We were given this kind of opportunity. So, thank you po sa inyo.
Maraming salamat. At saka, here's to many years of podcasting together. Ako nga pala si D.
At ako naman si A. Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary. This is Unfiltered DNA.
Hey!